Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Clothing factories face tough choices hiring workers and renting machines. Let's solve how marginal product changes affect costs in this short-run scenario. In the short run, marginal cost and marginal product share an inverse relationship. When each additional worker becomes less productive, it actually costs the factory more to produce each extra unit. This relationship is defined by the wage divided by the marginal product of labor. As that denominator gets smaller, the entire fraction grows, which means your marginal costs are definitely rising. When the marginal product of workers decreases, the cost of adding one more unit of output increases. Option D is the final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check your steps carefully.